Warm greetings to you, dear friends. I get so many questions from my loyal subscribers and regular viewers about whether boosting a deposit still works in 2026, and today I decided to film this video specifically for you, to check it out myself and hopefully double my entire trading balance. So right now, as you can see, I have $5,000 in my account, and I'll try to turn them into 10 in just one trading session. And let's get straight to the trading, let's not keep you waiting. Our first pair is CHFJPY. We're opening on the rise right away, getting a good upward candle. As we can see, a reversal is happening. So from the indicators, it's quite clear that the pair is actively growing, and that's a good sign for us. Listen guys, basically boosting your trading deposit isn't exactly a new topic for you, but we can clearly see that, well, if I'm still getting questions about it, it means there's a strong demand for this topic. And so today I decided to record a video for you to answer all the questions at once, so as not to write to everyone personally or explain, but just to show everything clearly. A clear example. So for today's session, I'll have to execute approximately 6 or 7 different trades in order to successfully double my initial deposit. It's not that much, it's quite realistic. Basically, for experienced traders, there's no impossible task in this. So right away I'm getting a good trade is coming out for us, but it's kind of with a red candle. But a sharp upward growth is about to happen here. Yes. Great. We're profiting from first trade. Yeah, it was a bit risky, but that's okay. And the first $900 have already been earned in our account. Excellent result, friends. I think basically we can still open a trade on this currency pair. We're also opening upwards right now because I just have a very good feeling that the chart is rising steadily at this moment, and it's a truly excellent time to secure a profit. So basically we can clearly see that we have our 30-second candles properly set up for this trade. Also, indicators like Fractal, Alligator, and CCI are helping me with the analysis. Basically this combo performs very well and gives a good result. And well guys, we see that we already have the first upward candle. Yes guys, if you also have any questions regarding trading, you can feel free to go to my Telegram. All the answers are there. It's an extensive and comprehensive body of knowledge for both beginners and experienced traders. So guys, I'll be waiting for all of you there. It's a truly fantastic opportunity to start earning, also to start studying some advanced strategies and to message each other. So come on guys, I'm waiting for all of you to join us. I really want everyone to show an excellent result here, and oh no, unfortunately the second trade doesn't bring us any profit at all. Okay, let's open on the rise again then. We'll cover the losses as well with the second, well, we'll open two trades to somehow cover our losses and end up in the black from the sum of our 2 trades. So good. So far, we have a very strong and solid position in the market. As you can see, we actually opened up 1 trade when the chart was at a lower point. This is actually great because I don't think it's going to drop that much. And if anything at all happens, we'll just get all of our funds back. Oh guys, do you see this candle? This is just excellent. Basically, the market is quite tradable today, meaning it's not stagnant, it's moving. So guys, I've chosen a pretty good day to record this video. Great, we have only 10 seconds left. I honestly believe that this particular trade is quite a confident one and represents a very good opportunity for us. So let's just wait for a moment, give it about 2 seconds, and that is absolutely excellent. We have successfully managed to secure 2 profits, so from the first currency pair alone, we have already earned a total of $1,700 in this session. There's almost nothing left. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Let's take a closer look at how this currency pair is performing right now. We can clearly see that, well, as the candles show, the market price is not really moving much. So I think it's better to set it aside for now and look at another one. So guys, basically I've decided on a currency pair for the next trade. We can see here that there's an active downward trend. I'm opening 3 trades right away because I'm extremely confident in this one. And also guys, I'd like to remind you that as you can see, today I'm trading on the Pocket Option Broker platform. It has the most stable payouts you can find. There are never any delays with withdrawals and so on. Also, it has a very good user-friendly interface, which is definitely the best one for me personally. That is, it's clear to both an experienced trader and a beginner. It's actually quite a wonderful community here. There's a lively chat, various tournaments among traders, and also a very responsive support service. They will quickly answer any of your questions regarding withdrawals, deposits, and other matters. And also guys, I want to remind you that in my official Telegram channel, you can get a special promo code for a 50% bonus on your next deposit. So if you want to deposit $100, you'll end up with $150 in your account. That's just great, in my opinion. Okay guys, let's get back to our trade. As we can see, excellent, we made money from it. We only have $900 left to earn. So guys, I've chosen to stick with this currency pair. It has an 80% payout rate. So guys, I've chosen to stick with this currency pair. As we can see, we're having a downward candle right now. Let's follow this trend immediately, opening a downward position. Basically, as you can see, we just need to profit from this trade and our challenge is complete. Yes, and it wasn't exceptionally challenging. It only took a handful of strategic trades to double the balance, and we managed to avoid taking any significant risks, as you can clearly see from this video. So guys, this is just great. We're getting a good downward candle. My analysis isn't letting me down. But guys, don't forget that in trading, it's very important to keep a cool head. Yes, I could have opened one trade with my entire balance and said, yes guys, this boost works. Look, I did it in one trade. But only a foolish trader does that. We use our heads, we don't open with our entire balance. Meaning, from the initial amount, we opened the first trades with about 20% of our budget, which isn't that much, guys. So, all that's left for us is to just watch as we make a profit, because I don't know what would have to happen for this trade not to bring us a profit. And 3, 2, 1. Great. We're making a profit. We earned even a bit more than we originally planned. And isn't that a good thing, my dear friends? Thank you all. It turned out to be a short little video where I just proved to you that the boost still works. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to comment, like, and let us know exactly what you think about it. Also ask me any questions. Head over to Telegram to join my large extensive community where a variety of bonuses await you. I'll see you all in our next video. Bye everyone.